This is the Artis 600 UPS. Quickly looking into the features, it has an inbuilt AVR, micro load detection, and it is lightweight. And they have also mentioned it's power safe, 600 volt ampere. Right, so here we can say the price is 6,499, but you get discount in Amazon. On this side we can see important thing here is they mentioned the backup time is 40 minutes for standard PC plus 18.5-inch LED monitor. Anyway, I'm gonna test it on the Xbox, how long it's gonna provide backup. Okay, it's time to unbox it. Okay, this is really heavy. If you look at the user manual here, what they have mentioned is power button and the LED button here, and behind we have the output power and the AC input here. So okay, apart from that, nothing much. And they have given some instruction on how to install and all the do's and don'ts. Here we have the UPS as shown on the user manual. This is the power button and the LED indicator. Just looking behind, this is the AC input, what they mentioned, and this is the output receptacles. So we will quickly test this on the Xbox. Alright, so I've connected my Series S to this UPS. You can see here behind connected. Alright, so let's do a quick test, play game on this console. I'm going to disconnect the UPS to the power supply so we can see how long I can play with the UPS power backup. Here we go. Okay, so this is disconnected. You heard the beep. I've enabled the stopwatch. Let's go ahead and see how long the UPS holds the power. .15 minutes has passed and I'm still playing this game from the UPS. You can hear the beep sound. Right, so this is really good. 15 minutes. I hope we expect another 20 minutes of power supply from the UPS. So I'm going to continue playing. We have completed 24 minutes and I'm still playing this game with UPS power backup. We can now hear a continuous beep which indicates the UPS is running out of charge, and we have completed 25 minutes playing using this UPS battery backup. I have now connected the UPS back to the power source, and 25 minutes is really not bad playing this series game using the UPS power backup. Be advised, it's only the Series S that was connected to the UPS and not the TV itself. So if we include the TV, we may get around 15 minutes of power backup. Now talking about the price, in Amazon it's available for 2,483 rupees. I hope this video was informative. If you have any questions, please mention in the comment section below. As always, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thanks for watching. Peace.